Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to work the double crochet. I'm going to start off with just a chain stitch here because a lot of your projects have you start off with your chain stitch and then you would work your first double crochets on top of that. And sometimes that is where it can be the most confusing. So normally you want to start it in your fourth chain from your hook. So the way we count that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the fourth chain from the hook is where we're going to do our first double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over again, bring that hook through. Now I have 3 loops of yarn on the hook. So to do a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, bring my yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over through the second 2 loops. I have my first double crochet completed here. Normally in your work that you're going to be working, any kind of project you're going to be working, these first 4 stitches that you have skipped over, that normally is going to count as a double crochet as you're working on your work. So just keep that in mind as you work this. So now I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, bring it through. I have my 3 loops, yarn over, bring it through 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops. And that's my next double crochet. Yarn over, insert my hook into the top loop of the chain, yarn over, bring it through, yarn over, 2 loops I'm coming through, yarn over, come through 2 loops, yarn over, put it in the top stitch there, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, bring it through 2 loops. So yarn over, put it through the loop, bring it through, yarn over, bring it through 2, yarn over, bring it through 2. And we got a couple more loops here to go. Yarn over, and you can eventually you're going to speed up on this. But it's a very nice, beautiful, tall standing stitch. Whoopsies, I didn't get all my yarn. I'm going to bring up that loop. So we have, I'm going to spread this out a little bit so you can see it better, but you can see the bottom chain here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again, this normally counts as a double crochet, 8, all right? So it just makes a nice, pretty, beautiful pattern. There you go. And that is the double crochet. I hope you enjoy your crocheting. Thank you.